The Milky Way galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, countless planets, black holes, gas clouds, and many other objects. All of it moves in a vast coordinated rhythm shaped by the mass of the galaxy itself. This raises an important question. What lies in the central region that has such a powerful influence? To begin, we travel straight to the galactic core, some 26,000 light years from us. For context, 1 light year is the distance light can travel in a year. This works out to roughly 9.4 trillion kilometers, or 5.8 trillion miles. Here, we find the supermassive black hole that sits at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star. This giant stretches about 23.5 million kilometers across, or 14.6 million miles. This is already more than 20 times the size of the Sun, yet it packs a mass of around 4.3 million times that of our Sun. While this black hole is enormous compared to our Sun, it does not have enough gravitational force on its own to hold the Milky Way galaxy together. Sagittarius A star only contains a fraction of the mass of our galaxy, just around 0.0003%. The center of the Milky Way is also packed with stars, many of which orbit the central black hole. In an area roughly 34.7 cubic light years around Sagittarius A star, there are roughly 10 million stars. Many of these stars are old red giant stars, but this region also contains many high-mass stars. Even with all this concentrated mass, it is still not enough to explain the rotation and structure of the Milky Way. Something far more mysterious is also at work. Dark matter plays a key role in holding galaxies together. Yet the true nature of dark matter remains beyond the current understanding of science. Its presence is known because of its invisible gravitational influence throughout the galaxy and beyond. Ordinary matter makes up about 5% of the known universe, while 27% is dark matter. And the final 68% is another mystery of science, known as dark energy. Although it is not fully understood, dark matter makes up the majority of the mass of galaxies, which means it plays a major role in holding them together. In reality, everything in the Milky Way is orbiting the center of mass of the entire galaxy, known as the Barycenter. This region is the central point of gravity, created by all the mass in the Milky Way. So it is not a single object that shapes our galaxy. Instead, it is a complex combination of gravitational forces produced by the objects we can observe and understand, like stars, planets, black holes, and everything else in the galaxy, along with the highly mysterious dark matter. Although we may live on a tiny planet, orbiting an average star buried in one of the trailing arms of the Milky Way galaxy, we are very much a part of it. The elements that make up the stars, planets, and all of us were forged by the cosmos over billions of years. The DNA of all life on Earth shares a common ancestor, which means we are connected not only to one another, but to the cosmos itself. We are all part of a complex series of events, and I am grateful to share a moment with you here now. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and share it with other curious minds. If you'd like to join me on more adventures across the cosmos, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks again, my friends. Until next time, take care and be well.